Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss on how to write a program that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then our program will simply compute the sum of the two given numbers using Kotlin programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, visitors, and most importantly to my subscribers and new subscribers actually in my channel. Thank you so much for your support by watching my videos, sharing, and most importantly by subscribing. I really appreciate your support to my channel. My channel will not grow without your help. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. So we have here function main. It is the starting of every Kotlin program. Begin, print, addition of two numbers in Kotlin. If you have a background in C or C++ programming, learning how to write a program in Kotlin is much easier because it resembles like C, C++, or even Scala programming language, or even Perl. So here we are asking the user to give first number, val num1 readline to int. Because it is a string, we need to convert it to integer, no? The readline is for a string. New line, this is this one, no? Enter second number. We are asking the user to give second number that will store in num2, and then add two numbers in print the result. So val sum equals val1 plus val2. New line, and then we have here the output, the sum of $val1 num1 and $num2 is $sum to display the result. New line, end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. New line, and then we close our main body of our main function. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Okay, let us go with our online GDB to run the program. Let us wait for the compiling process to take place. Online GDB is online compiler and debugger in any programming language, no? So right now it's running addition of two numbers in Kotlin. Enter first number, let's say we have 6. Second number, let's say we have 9. So the sum of 6 and 9 is 15, and a program. Another example. Let us wait. Okay. We have 82 plus 18 for the second number. The sum of 82 and 18 is 100, and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on addition of two numbers in Kotlin programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.